Hello friends, my name is Pushko and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you guys what is a karma and what is a jasmine and how to set up a development environment for karma and jasmine. Okay, so what is a karma? Karma is a Node.js application that is developed in the Node.js and we can install it into our project using through the Node package manager. And karma is just a command line tool that loads your application source code and execute your test cases. Okay, and what is a jasmine? Jasmine is a framework for JavaScript testing and it is also developed in the Node.js and we can install it through Node package manager into our project. And now it is the most popular choice for AngularJS testing. Okay, so this is about the jasmine and karma, and now how we can set up a development environment for karma and jasmine. So to install a karma and jasmine, we need to install following modules into our applications. First one is a karma, that is for karma framework. Second is a karma-jasmine. It contains the basic core files of jasmine which relate jasmine to karma. Third one, jasmine-core. This contains the jasmine framework. Fourth one is a karma Chrome launcher. This is for the launching browser. Fifth one is the Angular. So it is for installing the AngularJS, and another one is a Angular mock. So it is basically used for mocking our task cases and injecting services into the controller, injecting the services. Okay, and the last one is a karma-cli. So karma-cli is used to add a karma into the system path. Okay, so now open a new command form. So now install npm install karma dev. As in the last tutorial I have explained that serve dev is used for adding dev dependencies. So it will take hardly 30 to 40 seconds. That is installed. Now install second module, npm install karma-jasmine serve dev. Now install jasmine-core. Jasmine-core serve dev. So these are just a warning, so we are ignoring right now. I will explain you in the next tutorial that how we can how we can check our dependencies. Okay, now that is also done. Now we need to install karma Chrome launcher. npm install karma now install Angular, npm install Angular serve dev. Now install Angular mock, npm install Angular mocks serve last one is a karma-cli npm install karma-cli. We can install it globally as well as locally into the project, and it will add a karma into the system path. So we have done with the setup. Now we need to set up some configuration related things for karma. Now for that, run a karma init for configuration related things. Jasmine. Which testing framework do you want to use? Want to use Jasmine. Do you want to use a require.js? No. Do you want to capture any browser automatically? Yes. From. Yeah. What is the location of your source and test files? So we are going to put all JS files into the JS folder, and with the name of any name with the JS extension, and test file in the test folder with the any name .js. Okay, I'll leave it. And should any of the files include by the previous patterns be excluded? Right now, no. Yeah, yes, leave it. So it will create a karma-config.js. Now go to folder, and you can see here karma.config.js file here. This is created the Chrome browser. Both are the folders are here, spec.js. Now go to folder and create two folders. First one is a JS, and another one is test, and create one JS file into the test folder. Now we are writing like testing first, test.spec.js, as we have given the spec.js, so it will cover all the files into the test folder with the spec.js. So we have created here. Now as we install Angular and then the Angular mock, so we need to include both files into the karma config file. Here we are going to include this. Now angular.js, now include Angular mock, go to here, Angular .js, comma, and now the name of the angular.mock.js here. Okay, so now we are ready with this. We have done with the setup, and now for just testing purposes, I'm going to add one test case into this tutorial. So we are a describe block, describe function. Into the describe function is mainly used for combining the test cases. Like we have 4 test cases related to particular one controller, so we can write all those test controller into the describe block. Describe. So for like testing is a function. Now go and it function is used for for writing individual test case. Like we are for now we are writing that 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Okay, and function here. Okay, now we are expecting that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So now please expect 2 plus 2 is 2 equals to 2 equal to 4. Yeah, so we have written a one test case, and we can write multiple test cases into the discard block, like 2 plus 3 equals to 4 plus to 5, 2 plus 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12 is 2 multiplied 6 equals to 12, and 2 equals to 3 equals to 5. So we have written 3 test cases. Now run karma start. Yeah, now all the test cases are successfully run. Now, like if we are writing here like 8 and 3. Okay, now run again command 9. Yeah, here you can see that 2 plus 2 equals to 4. This is failed, right? Testing 2 plus 2 equals to fail. This is gets failed, and this is also gets failed. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, so now again modify this, now equals to 5, and now do the 4. So now again the executed 3 of 3 successfully. Now and so this is about the basic of the karma and then the jasmine, and how to set up a development environment. And that's it for today. In the next tutorial I will going to explain about that how we can write a test cases for Angular controller. And thanks for today, and that's it for today. Thanks guys.